What is up, world? How you guys doing today? So I've been doing YouTube for probably 4 years now, and over my 4 years I learned different techniques and skills, whether it's from school, YouTube, friends, or just figured it out by myself. So I wanted to share some of those techniques and skills with you guys. So what I decided to do was make videos on how I make my videos. So some of the videos you'll see is how I film my videos, how I film my videos alone. A lot of people can't find someone to help them film their videos. Also, how do I edit my videos, and what kind of gear do I use? And I understand not everyone has money to be blowing on film gear, and I understand we have bills and stuff like that. So that's why I'm going to focus on a budget series, like how do you get drone shots without a drone. So that's my plan. I made like a little preview for you guys, so stick around. Hope you enjoy. Today we're going to use the Sony a6400, perfectly balanced. Get some popcorn. I'm going to pour it into a bowl, and then I'm going to come over here to the couch. I'm going to sit down. One shot this, so let's just make it count. Alright, I think that looks good. Kind of eye level. Boring, right? I don't like boring shot. I think that looks pretty good right there. Alright, that's the scene. All we gotta do is edit now, but that's a different video.